It's early. Heading out of Vegas. Going to Arizona. Check out 2 homes. Boeckle Group expansion.
So we picked Scottsdale, Arizona because one, it's a similar market to Vegas with the architecture and design of houses and cost of construction. It's really close to our market, so we can digest it pretty well. And 2, super close, easy to get to, 45-minute flight away or a 5-hour drive. And number 3 is we just like Scottsdale, Arizona, and we want to travel there.
Here's how you invest out of state. Step 1, fly to location. Got about 20 minutes till we board. Mike, Danielle, Chris, we're coming for you. On Maine. Next stop, Scottsdale, Arizona. Let's go. Morning.
I love these.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Feels good to be back. These are the old stomping grounds.
This place is a shithole. Good news, we've just arrived in Phoenix. So step 2, get your car, go to the property.
Yo, check out our ride for the day.
One of the most important things you can do, especially when traveling to make investments, is always keep in mind your budget. Hence, the car.
So we're driving through Old Town Scottsdale, or downtown Scottsdale, the main area for Scottsdale, Arizona, with all the nightclubs, bars, the big shopping mall down here. Really solid area within this 2 to 3 mile radius for Airbnbs. Something that we're definitely looking at out here in Scottsdale as well, is to pick up a couple Airbnbs. Make sure to drop a comment below if you have a deal out here, and we'll make sure to reach out to you right away.
We are still driving onto this property. It's about 45 minutes out of Metro Phoenix. Kind of out in the middle of nowhere, a little nerve-wracking on that front that, there's not a whole lot of homes around or grocery or shopping or anything around here. So hopefully we can sell this thing when it's done. So we always talk about the importance of networking within our academy, the Boeckle Brothers Academy, and that's exactly what we've done. We have Mike Cordova and his wife Danielle Cordova here with us. They're in the Boeckle Brothers Academy, and they brought us our first deal in Arizona. Thank you, guys.
Very, very happy. Very happy. I want to stress the importance of how they brought us this deal and how the partnership was formed. So obviously we mentioned before that there's 2 students of ours. They're very active in investing and flipping themselves and looking on the MLS for deals. They didn't just send us an address or a Zillow listing and say, hey, Jesse and Landon, what do you think of it? They sent us an email, they called us, they said, I like this house, here's why, here are 3 comps for the house, here's the value I think that we could get for the house if it's all rehab, and using your calculator, this is what I think we could make on it. So they gave us the full picture of this entire project, which allowed us to feel confident in them, partnering up, flying all the way out here to take a look at it, locking it up, and now we're moving on to purchasing this property and starting our first project in Scottsdale. We're meeting one of our buddies through one of our mastermind programs, Chris, who is actually partnering with us on our second Scottsdale flip.
Alright, so we're finally back at the airport. It was a long day, but I think we accomplished quite a bit. Looked at 2 properties, sight unseen, that we already bought from our partners.
Yeah, landed in Phoenix this morning, rented a Rolls Royce, drove around Scottsdale and Phoenix, looked at a single property, bid it out with a contractor, looked at a second property, came up with a full design, met both partners, got both projects underway. Now we're headed back to Vegas. Stay tuned for the next 2 videos to release on our YouTube channel. Those are going to be in-depth walkthroughs of each property, each partner of ours, going through the design and all the numbers on each house.
I think it's safe to say that our Scottsdale expansion is officially underway with these 2 properties. We're going to buy many more here. We're super excited to take you guys along in the process. If you have any questions on what we did today with either of the properties, how we analyzed the numbers on them, how we partnered up on them, please drop a comment below. We're always happy to help.
And if you like this vlog style travel day, we're going to be coming back to look at every property. So drop a thumbs up in the comments if you want us to do another one.
I think he's drunk.
But in any case, see you on the flip side.